What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the oil and also reset the oil change interval light on your Honda CR-V. This is going to be 2017, 18, 19 plus, any of the ones that have the 2.4 liter engine. Alright guys, if you're new to this channel, do me a favor and click the subscribe. I do a lot of these DIY household and automotive projects. Alright guys, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and put it up on some ramps. Make sure you put your emergency brake on. We're also going to want to chalk the back wheels so it doesn't roll back. Alright, now we're going to have to slide up underneath here. Now it looks like there's a silver cover right here. This thing right here, we're going to have to take off so we can get to the drain plug and the oil filter. There's just a 10mm here on the back. Take that out. Then on the front, there's a couple of these Phillips right here. Kind of a pain, but you got to do it on these new cars. Not much room here, so better not supersize that McDonald's for lunch. Then there's like 6 of these flathead half-turn clips. You just turn them halfway and it undoes it. Alright, once you get those 6 clips out, we should be able to move the whole cover down. Alright, now we can see what we're dealing with a little better here. Here is the oil filter right here on the right side, passenger side. And right behind that is the drain plug right here. We'll go ahead and grab our oil pan, put that under the drain plug, put our 17mm on there, crack that loose, let that baby drain. Let's go ahead and just let this drain for a few minutes so it comes to a drip. Alright, now if you're wondering what kind of oil, it's right here on the oil cap. It uses 0W20 and you're going to want to use full synthetic. Then go ahead and get out your manual right here. And on page 164, if you go ahead and check right down here, change including filter on the 2.4 liter is 4.7 quarts. And if you had the 1.5 liter turbo, you would only use 3.7, so it uses a whole quart less. Alright, now once it comes to a drip, we can go ahead and put that drain bolt back in. Go ahead and change the crush washer if it looks like it's worn out. And we'll go ahead and snug it down with our 17. There we go. And we'll come over here to our oil filter. We're going to want to loosen that up. You get an oil filter wrench, or you can just use some of these big old pliers. Take it off all the way. Make sure this rubber O-ring came off with the filter. We'll give everything a nice wipe down, clean it up. Alright, now let's get our oil filter out. I'll go ahead and put some links down in the description to the filter and oil I use. Here it is. And we're going to want to take a little bit of our fresh oil and always rub a little bit on that rubber gasket. Helps it seat and seal and make it easier to come off next time. Then we can go ahead and screw our new filter on. You don't have to screw these things on too tight. Just do it hand tight until it stops. Then give it another half turn or so till it gets real tight. Now we can go ahead and take the oil cap off, put in our funnel, and we'll go ahead and pour in our 020 weight, the 4.7 quarts in this engine, the 2.4 liter. And we can go ahead and put our oil cap back on. Then we can go ahead and put back that stupid metal cover underneath. It's just the reverse process. Sorry guys, it's pretty dark. And also don't forget to recycle your used motor oil and filter. Most auto stores will take it for free. Then once you got that cover back on, go ahead and check your drain bolt right here to make sure it's not weeping or leaking any oil. Maybe you need to snug it up a little more. Then once you got it down off ramps, go ahead and pull your dipstick and we'll go ahead and wipe it. Stick it back in. Pull it out. Make sure it's right there in between those 2 little circles or at the top of it. Good. Alright, now let's go ahead and reset the oil change interval. We'll just go ahead and click this button over here on the right side of the dash to the percentage of the oil life right there. Then we're going to hold the button down. Got to hold it for a while, then it starts flashing. And then we'll go ahead and let go of the button. Then we're going to go ahead and push it down and hold it down again. Takes a little bit of time. There we go. Now it's reset to 100%. Then also put a new sticker on your windshield so you remember when to change it next. Alright guys, and that is how to change the oil on your CRV. Do me a favor, if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell so you can get all my new videos. And thanks for watching Jonny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.